What's up, YouTube community? Guys and gals. This is Big Eddie. We're doing a attic update. I just got back in town from Wisconsin. Had to go up there for school. And found a hobby shop up there. Actually, well, this came from Hobby Lobby, but I've been wanting to get that for quite a while. So I finally got it. I think it's because it's a Mustang. Alright, this is cool. This is my next tank build. The Star Wars Trade Federation tank. That is awesome. Gots to build that one. Alright. Got some Thunderbird action going. Oh, he had this. Haven't got that one yet, so I might as well purchased it. Surfboards. These guys. The old Dick Tracy. I could tell you what the saying was when we were in school, but won't do it here. I thought this was awesome. U.S. Paratrooper. Never heard of that Glencoe models, but that was cool. And while I was walking away with him, his buddy was yelling, "Hey, don't forget me." Okay. So we had to get the old Navy SEAL. Same company. Pretty cool. Comes with a knife too. Yeah. Awesome. And last but not least, fit straight here, the old Green Goblin. That was awesome. Alright, what else is in here? Just a bottle of wash, however you pronounce it. Alright guys, that is a small attic update. Trying to keep up on it now so it don't get out of hand like last time. But anyway guys, it's Big Eddie saying peace and build them models.